Alright, I just got my box. This week's meals are from the company Plated. So I'm just going to open this up and show you how it's packaged. It's similar to HelloFresh, which I did last week, but its packaging is a little different. So I'm always fascinated by packaging. Let's see. So the recipe cards are right on top. Okay. So I ordered 4 meals and a dessert. So this is a week's worth of food. So I ordered Turkish sweet and sour chicken, chicken pot pie with parsnip and thyme, seared steak with red wine juice and crispy Parmesan potatoes, Malaysian fish curry with yellow rice, and then the dessert this week is raspberry marble cake with white chocolate. So let's see what's in the box. So the 10, this must be for the cake, but so Plated. Some things come separately, like there's puff pastry. I assume this is for the dessert. Is separate, and some of the larger vegetables. So we got rainbow chard, Swiss chard, and a big green onion, celery. Parsnips and carrots, so yummy. And then the meal. So this is the rest of the stuff. So the Malaysian fish curry is in this container, and the seared steak is in this package. Oh, a little jar of orange marmalade. I don't know what that's for. Turkish sweet and sour chicken ingredients are here. And the chicken pot pie ingredients are there, and the raspberry marble cake ingredients are right there. Awesome. And then the meat is underneath. So it looks like I have beef ranch steak, some tilapia for the fish curry, some really big chicken thighs, bone and skin on, and chicken breast, boneless, skinless. So that's all my food for the week. And they actually have like a, I don't know, like a pad. It's like, there's like a pad in there, so for insulation. And then 3 large plastic ice that are still, so actually the meat, some of this meat, it's still partially frozen. So their box does a really good job. It was shipped second day from California. I live in Washington, so still cold. I'm gonna go put this all away. So I just put this in I put these in my vegetable tray and the meat in my meat section, and then as I cook, I just take out the whole thing and it's ready to go. So step 1, unbox. All the food. It's just all packaged up. You can see inside the box. Let's see. So you can see that it's all insulated. It's insulated packaging. And then ice cubes on the bottom. And so this cardboard was between the meat and the produce, and this is over the top. So that is my pile I have to put away.